Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 8, and y equals 3. The second point has x equals -28, and y equals 2.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 8 to x equals -28, the run is -36. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 3 to y equals 2, the rise is -1.
Slope is rise divided by run, -1 over -36, which simplifies to 1 over 36. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is 1 over 36, x1 is 8, and y1 is 3.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.